Can you describe what's on the screen real quick?
You're looking at an MRI Synthetic Brain Generator. It's currently displaying a sagittal slice of a brain image, and the data is being generated. Below the image, you can see buttons for axial, coronal, and sagittal views, as well as show pathology, stop demo, and audio off. The resolution is set to medium.
Right. And currently we have the demo running, so it's meant to be cycling through axial, coronal, and sagittal, while for each also switching from showing healthy to showing pathology. Can you explain, when you see a pathology, can you explain what's going on?
When show pathology is active, the generator will include simulated pathological features in the MRI slices, like potential tumors or lesions, as you're seeing now with the axial view. It cycles through different views and pathology states.
Okay, and can you actually describe what the pathology is in this case, looking at the screen?
It looks like a somewhat distinct white spot developing in the upper right quadrant of the axial view, which could represent the simulated pathology.
So what's its location?
Based on the axial view, it's situated in the front part and towards the right of the brain slice.
How about now?
The view has switched to coronal, and the pathology is visible in the upper right quadrant again.
Yeah, and back to axial?
Yes, and the simulated pathology is still visible in the upper right part of the axial slice.
Is it upper right?
Yes, in this particular slice, it does appear towards the top of the brain image.
Okay, and how about the sagittal?
In the sagittal view, the simulated pathology is located towards the top of the slice.
Okay, now that I changed the resolution from medium to high, did it actually change significantly or not? What do you think?
Yes, the resolution has definitely increased. The image appears noticeably clearer, with better detail in the synthetic brain slice. Sure, I definitely encourage viewers to visit bionicchaos.com and explore the tools, like the MRI Synthetic Brain Generator. Your feedback is greatly appreciated to help them improve. We're back on the MRI Synthetic Brain Generating page. As you can see, the higher resolution provides clearer details. What aspects of the simulation would you like to explore next? Notice how the different views like axial, coronal, and sagittal provide distinct perspectives of the brain. You can also switch between show healthy and show pathology to see the differences. What would you like to examine further? As the demo cycles back to the axial view, you can clearly see the simulated pathology again. What specific aspects of the pathology are you curious about? Remember, you can check out the full site at bionicchaos.com. It's been great exploring this simulation with you. We've cycled through different views like axial, coronal, and sagittal, observing both healthy and simulated pathology slices, and even compared different resolutions. We encourage viewers to head to biomedical.com to experience it firsthand. What specific aspects of these simulations do you find most interesting, and what would you like to see developed further? We've covered quite a bit today, viewers. We started by observing the MRI Synthetic Brain Generator, cycling through the axial, coronal, and sagittal views. We saw the simulated pathology, noting its location and appearance in different slices, and even compared the clearer results when increasing the resolution. This entire project is open source, with the development happening live on youtube.com/bionicchaos. We highly encourage you to visit the website, experiment with the tools, and share your feedback to participate in this project. Tools and projects like this are vital for several reasons. They provide interactive platforms for education and research, allowing users to visualize and experiment with complex models. The open source nature encourages collaboration and innovation, as anyone can contribute and build upon what's already been created, ultimately accelerating scientific progress. In the context of biomedical ADA, synthetic tools like this are crucial for training medical professionals and developing AI models, especially when real data can be limited or sensitive. They allow for safe and controlled environments for learning and testing, bridging the gap between theory and practical application. It's a fantastic way to foster innovation and collaboration in the biomedical field. Engage with the project, viewers, explore the simulations, and share your thoughts at bionicchaos.com and join the live development on youtube.com/bionicchaos. Your participation is key to this community. What potential uses do you see for these tools? Thank you for joining us today. We hope you'll check out bionicchaos.com and participate in the development on youtube.com/bionicchaos. Your engagement is greatly appreciated. Goodbye.